All right, so you want to know how your pool works. It's very simple. The water is going to start at your pool. It's a big circle, okay? You're going to start at your suction, okay? At your pool, you have a skimmer. That's going to be at the surface of the pool. That'll be right here. That's labeled your skimmer, okay? At the bottom of your pool, you'll have a disc on the very bottom of the pool. That's going to be your pool main drain. If you happen to have a spa, you'll have that same disc at the very bottom of your spa. Okay, all of those lines go underground to your pool equipment. Once it works its way over here, all of these three pipes are going to be under suction. The water is being sucked through the pipes underground into the motor. Once the water falls into your pump basket, it goes through what's called a pump impeller. It's kind of like a helicopter blade. It spins around. That spinning motion creates suction. That's what's drawing all of your water through your pipes into your pump basket. That's where all of your debris and leaves all gather right there. Once that water goes through your pump impeller, then it becomes pressure. At this point, everything from here forward, water is being pushed, okay? All of your water is being pushed through this. It's being pushed into your filter, whether it be a sand filter, a cartridge filter, or a DE filter. So if you're going to have any issues as far as leaks or anything like that, it's going to be on the pressure side of the system because water is being pushed through the system on this side of the system. Once your water goes into your filter, it then comes out of your filter. This system's all a big circle. It's just going to keep following through. It's going to go into your heater. Once it goes in, it has to come out somewhere. So then it comes out there. This is your salt cell. Not every pool has them. Some do. If you don't have a salt cell, we recommend throwing in a chlorinator. If you don't have one of those, we can help you. Next, we go through your return lines. Now the water has to go somewhere. Now we're going to send it back to the pool or your spa, depending on the placement of your valves. Once it goes through this valve, it's going to fall downhill, underground, back to your pool and back to your spa. Whether you want to have a nice strong waterfall, maybe you don't want any waterfall. Maybe you want all your pool returns on and no returns on in the spa. This is where you would direct that water flow. On this side, if you were seeing bubbles coming back into your returns, this would be the side that you would have those problems. This is the side that draws in air, okay? If you have a leak on your system, this point forward is where you would have leaks because this point forward is where you're going to be under pressure. If you have bubbles coming in, it's going to be coming through your suction side. Think of a straw with a hole in it. If you're drawing in or drinking a drink with a hole, you're going to be pulling it in right there. You'll see it right there. This point forward, you're going to be pushing out water. It's like a garden hose with a hole in it. You will see the water coming out. A pool is just a big circle. It's going to pull water in, send it through the system, send it to the pool, and back through the system again. It's just a big circle.